When it comes to AI writing tools, the question of which one is more powerful, ChatGPT or Jasper AI, isn't just about features. It's about finding the tool that will genuinely help you achieve your writing goals faster, more efficiently, and with a higher level of accuracy. So let's break it down and see which one truly stands out for the tasks you care about most. But stick around, because I'll be recommending something even better at the end. Let's start with ChatGPT. The big strength of ChatGPT is its conversational style and ability to generate text based on real-time input. It's versatile and can handle everything from simple questions to more complex topics. However, there's a catch. ChatGPT's free version is somewhat limited in the sense that it can't process as much detailed instruction compared to paid versions, and it occasionally generates irrelevant or repetitive content if you don't guide it precisely. Next thing, let's talk about Jasper AI. Jasper has been designed with content marketers, copywriters, and business owners in mind. It's tailored to creating high-conversion copy, making it a solid choice for those focused on generating sales copy, blog posts, or social media content. One advantage Jasper has over ChatGPT is its ability to integrate with a variety of tools, like Surfer SEO, which is a game changer for those trying to optimize content for search engines. But Jasper's strength can also be its weakness. While it excels in marketing-focused tasks, it's not as flexible as ChatGPT when it comes to more general-purpose writing. It often falls short in conversations or more nuanced creative work. The third thing worth considering is the ease of use. ChatGPT, with its simple interface, can be picked up by just about anyone without a steep learning curve. You can interact with it like you would a conversation, which makes it feel more intuitive. Jasper, on the other hand, has more templates and a broader range of options right out of the gate, but its user interface can feel a bit cluttered, especially for beginners. You'll need to spend some time getting familiar with the dashboard to unlock its full potential. Next up, pricing. ChatGPT, particularly the paid version, offers a lot of value for a relatively low cost, especially if you're already using it for a variety of tasks. The Pro version is reasonable and gives you access to the latest models and higher output limits. Jasper, however, can get pretty pricey. It's subscription-based, and while it has more advanced features, it can become an expensive option if you're only using it for basic writing. So if budget is a factor, ChatGPT may win out in terms of sheer value. The fourth thing is content quality. When it comes to general writing tasks, ChatGPT shines by producing more human-like, contextually relevant text. However, if you want more structured content, like product descriptions or landing pages, Jasper AI's templates can help streamline that process, especially if you want to create something that's optimized for a specific audience or goal. That said, you may need to do some editing afterward, especially if you want something that feels more unique or personalized. And here's something important to consider. While both ChatGPT and Jasper are great in their own right, I've tried both extensively, and if you're looking for something that balances power, ease of use, and advanced features, there's actually a better alternative for the task at hand. That alternative is a tool I've been using recently. It combines the best elements of both ChatGPT and Jasper without the drawbacks of either. If you want a better AI writing tool that meets your needs and doesn't come with the limitations we talked about, make sure to check out the free trial link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive offer that's only available to our viewers. It's a limited time deal, so take advantage now. To summarize, while both ChatGPT and Jasper AI have their strengths, they each have their weaknesses too. But if you want a more powerful tool that combines the best of both worlds, check out the link below for a better alternative.